In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable zoom on the Dawn theme in Shopify 2.0. This is a handy feature to adjust if you want a more streamlined viewing experience for your product images. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin account. Once you're in, head over to the homepage of your Shopify store. This is your main control center where you can manage all the various aspects of your online store. Next, navigate over to the online store section. You'll find this on the left-hand side menu. Clicking on this will expand a drop-down menu where you'll be able to select different options related to your store's appearance and theme. From the expanded menu, click on Customize. This button will open up the theme editor, which is where you will make the necessary changes to disable the image zoom feature. It's worth noting that any changes made here will directly affect how your customers see your online store, so it's always a good idea to preview your changes before saving them. You'll then be presented with your store's homepage in the editor. Look at the top menu and click on the homepage drop-down. This will display a list of different page templates within your store. To proceed, select products from this drop-down menu. This setting will allow you to customize how individual product pages appear. Once you've clicked on products, you should see default product on the sidebar. Go ahead and click on this to load the product page template. Now you need to focus on the product information section. This is the area where you can manage different display settings for product details, including images. Next, you'll see an option that refers to image zoom. This is the feature we aim to disable. By default, it might be set to allow zoom on images, which can be helpful for some users who prefer an interactive look at product details, but might not be necessary for everyone. To disable this zoom feature, find the setting called Open Lightbox or Image Zoom and select No Zoom. By selecting this option, you are choosing a straightforward image display without the zoom feature, providing a simple and clean visual experience for your customers. Lastly, don't forget to click Save at the top right of the theme editor. This is crucial to ensure all the changes you've made are applied to your theme. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled the zoom on the Dawn theme for your Shopify store, giving you full control over how your product images are viewed. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and you're now more confident in making these kinds of adjustments within your Shopify store. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on enhancing your Shopify experience.